Experience the epitome of luxury in your bathroom with the Niagara Observa matte black concealed shower valve, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Its sleek and sophisticated design, combined with the elegant matte black finish, would instantly boost your shower experience to new heights. The included square slide rail kit adds a touch of modernity and functionality to your shower setup. With a 1.5 meters length hose, you'll have ample flexibility and reach for a comfortable showering experience. Crafted with a durable brass body, this shower valve ensures longevity and reliability. The twin concealed shower valve is designed for ease of use and precise water control. The thermostatic cartridge guarantees a consistent water temperature, while its automatic shut-off feature provides added safety in case of cold water supply failure. Not only is this shower set built to impress, but it's also incredibly easy to install and clean. Say goodbye to complicated installations or tedious maintenance routines. This product has got you covered. Indulge in the highest quality design and build with the Niagara Observa matte black concealed shower valve. Upgrade your bathroom today and immerse yourself in a showering experience like no other. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Observa showering range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.